Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new note cover on Samsung Notes. Samsung Notes just keeps getting better. The latest update adds a new note cover feature, letting you design beautiful covers for each note, so you can complete with the color option, thumbnails, and titles. So instead of a plain list of notes, you can now have vibrant, personalized covers and make your notes look like an actual digital notebook collection. So let me show you how to do this. Go ahead and open up Notes. Now, as you can see, I've already integrated into my notes. There are two ways of making notes. So the first one is by creating an AI note. So if you go ahead and select one of the notes, tap on more, and here you can go ahead and tap on generate cover. So this will basically let AI generate the cover for you. Now, if you don't like what you're seeing here, you can press cancel. Go ahead and tap on the note itself, then tap on the three dots, and then go ahead and tap on edit cover. Now here you'll be able to choose all these different covers. So you have a pattern, you have illustration, or if you just want a text like a cover, like with the title, you can go ahead and add that as well. So go ahead and choose what you like. I like the illustration. I'll choose one of these nature photo, and then I'll go and press back and press back again. So now, as you can see, that cover has been set for my notes. So this visually organizes your notes by theme or project. It boosts productivity by helping you identify notes quickly. And this is perfect for students, professional, and digital planners. So this makes your notes app look aesthetic and professional. So there you go, guys. That are the new note cover on Samsung Notes.